In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on or off hardware acceleration in the Google Chrome web browser, vertical bar PC tutorial. To begin, open the Google Chrome web browser on your PC. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the main menu and settings area. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the Chrome menu. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page, where you can manage how the browser works. If the settings page opens in a new tab, that is completely normal. Now, in the settings area, find and click on System. This section contains settings related to how Chrome works with your computer's hardware and background processes. Inside the System section, you will see the option for hardware acceleration. The wording may say something like, use hardware acceleration when available. If you want to turn hardware acceleration on, check the box or enable the toggle next to that setting. If you want to turn it off, uncheck the box or disable the toggle instead. The setting is very easy to switch either way. After changing it, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser for the update to take effect. If you see that prompt, go ahead and relaunch Chrome. This is important because the setting usually will not fully apply until the browser restarts. That covers everything you need to know.